Omushomogu kimanyiro ngo abakazi abingi nibaretwa omu marwariro barembere abashaho batakine ky'okukoraho okurugiriraho abashaho abakazi abingi tibakikoresa amarwariro agari omu byanga byabo kandi eki nikita abakazi hamwe n'abaana baabo omu kabi.
That the women are still giving birth from the villages using the traditional birth attendants. And actually one of the reasons as to why we are losing mothers in the health facilities is because they delay in those things, and by the time the woman comes, the health worker has nothing much to do to help that mother. But we want to discourage it. We want to call upon the people, the women, that if you get pregnant, please keep visiting the health facility. Even when the time of giving birth comes, go to the health facility.
Sheema ntwesiima twine irwariro ruhango kitagata omu region yon kandi bona abantu abakuruga omu byanga ebyehinguririze bije omu marwariro gitu ga Sheema ahakuba ebyo kukozesa birumu abashaho nibashashurwa kandi barumu. Ekindi ekitwine kumanyisa abantu bitu bomu byanga bashemerire kumanya campaign z'obutimba ziriyo nizikutandika.
Omwirwariro rya Kitagata mukuru waryo Dr. Johnson Kavwishwa nagira ngu tiine mukazi owaferire yarikuzaara oihere habo barikureta baherize kuzaarira omu byaro.
Ka district tafire mukazi nazaara ekyo twashanga ngo kandi tuzarisa abakazi bingi babakomu nkumi kabangayo so twashanga omubakazi bona tuzarise tiine mukazi afire nazaara so ekyo John success amunonga abazaara sana n'abananzi.
Aba bahingwiza okutandika ehuriro y'okushomesa abantu omu maramizo hamwe n'okubarundana okubashomesa hakaba kari omu kuzaarira omu byaro. Gasha kwa Maiko atwakire.